Hey boys and girls, and welcome to reading. Yesterday we talked about how good readers, they ask questions about the main character as they are reading. Now, I hope that yesterday whenever you were asking yourself questions as you were reading, that maybe you found the answer later on in the book that answered the question. So as you read a book, or read the book that you chose yesterday, did you find answers? I sure hope. Today I want to teach you that once readers have found the answer to their questions, they are ready to teach others about what they learned. So first, I want you to pick a question that was answered in your book, and I'm going to have you share it, okay? This is important because readers don't just ask questions, they answer them so they can share them with their friends. This is an example of what I mean. We read the book Chrysanthemum on the first day of school. There are two questions that I came up with when I was reading the book Chrysanthemum. The first question was, why did Chrysanthemum love her name? Okay, why? I drew a picture of her and how she loves her name. And then how did Chrysanthemum feel about her name when she started school? So these are questions that I talked about as I was reading and thought about. And later on in the book, this is an example of what we found, okay? So why did she love her name? Well, she loved her name because the text says she loved the way it looked on an envelope and when it was an icing on her birthday cake. So this is the question, this is the answer, and this is the page, the evidence that showed why she loves her name. My second question was, how does she feel about her name once she started school? Well, she felt embarrassed because the other kids at school made fun of her name. So this is the question. This is where in the book I got my answer, and this right here is the answer to my question. So now it is your time to do the exact same thing I did. You're going to think about your questions from yesterday. Then, where did you find the answer in your story? And then tell me what is the answer, just like I did here. The question, where I found my answer, and then what the answer is. Go back to your eClass page and then click on your must-do discussion post to practice talking about where you found answers to your questions. And then meet me back on Zoom after you complete your must-do. If you have questions about exactly what Miss Busby wants you to do, go ahead and join me on Zoom and I will try and help you the best I can. Good luck. I know you can do this. See you in a minute.